Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best quiet blenders that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly or a premium powerhouse, we've got you covered in this comprehensive review. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5 is the Quiet Elite Blender by Potline Pan. This blender boasts advanced Quiet Shield technology, ensuring minimal noise while blending, making it ideal for early mornings or late-night snacks. Its multifunctionality stands out, as it handles both hot and cold ingredients with ease, tackling everything from smoothies and soups to nut milks and soy milk. The 24-hour preset feature is an innovative touch, allowing you to schedule blending ahead of time, perfect for busy lifestyles. When it comes to design, the Quiet Elite Blender features a sleek white finish and a generous 1.4-liter capacity, accommodating larger servings for families or meal prep enthusiasts. The intuitive touch controls, paired with 8 pre-programmed settings, make operation simple, while the detachable parts are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Despite being feature-rich, the blender has a bulky footprint at 15 inches wide, which may take up more counter space than compact models. Performance-wise, the high-power motor and precision stainless steel blades deliver smooth, consistent results, even with tough ingredients like frozen fruits and ice. However, its customer ratings, 3.8 stars, suggest inconsistent reliability, and its price remains unavailable, making it difficult to assess its value. This blender is ideal for those who prioritize quiet operation and advanced features, but may not be the best choice for those seeking proven performance or affordability. At number 4, we have the Want Join Professional Commercial Blender. This blender is designed with a soundproof shield, making it a quiet yet powerful option for home or commercial kitchens. It features an impressive 2200-watt motor with dual-direction blade technology, capable of blending dense ingredients like nuts and ice at an incredible 38,000 RPM. Its massive 80-ounce pitcher is perfect for large batches, making it a great choice for parties or meal prep. In terms of design, the Want Join blender is sleek and professional-looking, with a built-in feeding hole for adding ingredients mid-blend. The shield cover minimizes mess and noise, but its tall profile at 21.65 inches may be challenging for smaller spaces. The self-cleaning function is a convenient feature, as is the included tamper for handling thicker mixtures. However, some users report durability concerns, particularly with the shield cover over time. While its blending performance is undeniably powerful, customer reviews, 4.3 stars, point to occasional issues with noise reduction and reliability. Priced in the mid to high range, this blender is ideal for those who need professional-grade power and a quiet environment, but may not be the best fit for smaller budgets or casual users. Coming in at number 3 is the Hamilton Beach Wave Action Blender, a budget-friendly option that delivers quieter blending through its patented base design. With 800 watts of power and intuitive controls, this blender is designed to handle smoothies, frozen drinks, and more with ease. Its wave action system ensures ultra-smooth results by continuously forcing ingredients down into the stainless steel ice saber blades. The design features a durable 40-ounce glass jar, which is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The blender is compact at just 14.69 inches tall, making it a space-saving option for smaller kitchens. It has a classic black finish and a straightforward control panel with 5 buttons labeled for specific functions, taking the guesswork out of blending. While it's quieter than many competitors, it doesn't have a soundproof shield, so it's not the quietest on the list. At just $48.95, this blender offers great value for casual users who need a simple, reliable option for everyday blending tasks. However, the 4.3-star customer rating reflects some limitations in durability and performance with tougher ingredients. Overall, it's an excellent choice for anyone on a budget looking for a quiet and efficient blender for smoothies and light tasks. At number 2, we have the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. This blender is a fantastic option for single-serve blending, thanks to its 700-watt base and pulse technology, which powers through ingredients with ease. Whether you're making smoothies, shakes, or prepping food, this compact blender delivers nutrient-rich results by extracting vitamins from whole fruits and veggies, including the parts typically discarded. Design-wise, the Ninja Fit is ultra-compact, measuring just 13 inches tall, making it ideal for small kitchens, dorms, or travel. It comes with two 16-ounce Nutra Ninja cups and spout lids, allowing you to blend and take your drink on the go. Cleanup is a breeze, as all parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. While it's not as powerful as larger models, its simplicity and portability make it a standout option for personal use. Priced at $59.99. The Ninja Fit offers excellent value for individuals who need a quick, convenient blender for daily use. Its 4.7-star rating reflects high customer satisfaction, but its limited capacity and single-speed operation may not suit larger families or more complex tasks. If you're looking for a compact, quiet blender for personal smoothies and shakes, this one's hard to beat. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Smoothie and Food Processing Blender. This premium blender combines ultimate power and versatility, thanks to its 1,100-watt motor and professional-grade performance. It effortlessly pulverizes ice into snow in seconds and handles tough ingredients for smoothies, sauces, and frozen drinks. Its 3 manual speeds, pulse function, and single-serve option provide a range of blending possibilities, making it ideal for both large families and personal use. The design is both functional and stylish, featuring a 72-ounce total crushing pitcher for large batches and 2 16-ounce to-go cups with spout lids for convenience. The BPA-free components are dishwasher-safe, ensuring easy cleanup, and the included 28-recipe inspiration guide helps users get creative. At 17 inches tall, it's slightly bulkier than smaller models, but its compact design ensures it fits well on most countertops. Priced at $1,399, the Ninja BL660 offers excellent value for its premium features. With a 4.6-star rating and over 107,000 reviews, it's a top-rated blender for those seeking powerful performance and versatility. While it's not the quietest on the list, its sound level is reasonable given its high wattage. If you're looking for a professional-grade blender with family-friendly capacity and a wealth of features, this is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.